I'm Taya, and I got my hands on something I didn't really think of much until today: windshield wipers. But hear me out, these aren't just any wipers. This is KIMBLADE X, and they're supposed to be like super quiet apparently. Now, I don't know about you, but I've definitely had my fair share of super annoying squeaky windshield wipers, especially on rainy days. So I figured, why not give these a try and see if they actually live up to the hype. So let's take a look at this KIMBLADE X first of all. Wow, looks very sleek. Oh, wait a minute. I've actually never seen a blade shaped like this. You know, usually they have like a triangular shape, the blade, right? But this one is rectangular. Interesting. They call it a rectangular link structure, and apparently this design helps concentrate force along the edges, making it more efficient at clearing water from the windshield. That's pretty cool. Plus, they're made from a special silicone material that continuously applies a water-repellent coating every time you use them. So the more you wipe, the better your visibility gets. How cool is that? And unlike regular rubber wipers, these won't bend out of shape in extreme hot or cold weather, so they also last longer than conventional options. So how about we actually try this out and put it to the test? Let's try the ones I have on right now. First of all, the traditional ones. Let's give it a try. Okay guys, so let's try out, this is my old wipers first of all. Let's see how annoying they sound. That annoying noise. I mean, to be honest, it's not the worst sound in the world, right? But it can get really annoying if you're like on a long drive. So let's turn them off. Thank you. And let's try out KIMBLADE X and see if there's actually a difference there. Okay, so I just took off the old wipers and I'm going to install this now. KIMBLADE X. Super easy to do. So let's test this out. All right, so the moment of truth has come. It's raining and I'm about to turn these on. Let's see. Wow. First of all, the whoosh whoosh sound is so much quieter. Like, do you hear that? Listen. Or more like, do you not hear that? Like, that's, wow, that's really impressive. Like, this is no editing, no whatsoever, just me and my car and these wipers just doing their thing. And they're cleaning really well too. That is actually super impressive. Wow. Oh my god, guys. I'm a bit too excited about this right now, but personally, like, not only is it super quiet, but also it cleans spotless. This is amazing. Plus it lasts so long. Like, this is perfect. I'm obsessed. I personally, because I'm a musician too, I love just like putting on music, putting on my favorite songs and like singing along in the car. And on rainy days, like that wiper sound, it just destroys it all. So with KIMBLADE X, I think I can just actually focus on my favorite songs without that annoying noise. So I'm excited. If you're also looking for a high performance silent wiper, I definitely recommend this. Please try checking it out. KIMBLADE X. 2 thumbs up from me. I am in love.